to like, share, and subscribe. As the holiday season transitions into the serene winter months, it's the perfect time to infuse your home with DIY winter decorations that extend the coziness and beauty beyond Christmas. Embrace the enchanting atmosphere of winter wonderland with these 20 creative and timeless ideas that will keep your space festive and inviting. Create a winter front porch exterior. Keep your front porch inviting by arranging remaining winter greenery in various sizes and styles. Add a pine wreath to your front door for a touch of elegance. Lit or flocked branches. Illuminate your home with the magical glow of evergreen branches, either flocked in white or adorned with delicate fairy lights. Recreate the beauty of snow-covered limbs with these elegant additions. Mini trees. Transform your home into a winter forest with small faux evergreen trees. Perfect for framing spaces like a DIY faux fireplace, these trees bring a touch of the outdoors inside. Mantel garland. Extend the life of your mantel decor with a simple green garland. Customize it by adding pine cones, flocking, or additional wintry elements, ensuring a stunning focal point that lasts throughout the season. Use artwork in DIY winter decorations. Introduce neutral signs or winterscape scenes to transition seamlessly into winter decor. Consider paintings or pictures that capture the serene beauty of winter landscapes. Pine cones in DIY winter decorations. Incorporate pine cones into your decor for a seasonal touch. Use frosted pine cones in various displays or create a charming arrangement in a bowl, adding a touch of winter magic. Embellish DIY winter decor in white accents. Enhance your winter wonderland with white decor elements like frosted pine cones and snowflakes. Create an inviting scene by accenting existing Christmas decor with rustic white touches. DIY wooden trees to winter decor. Craft DIY wooden trees, providing a neutral and versatile decor option. These trees seamlessly transition from Christmas to winter. Add a wreath on a mirror. Bring the outdoors inside by hanging wreaths on mirrors. Swap out festive ribbons for neutral colors, creating an elegant and winter-appropriate decor piece. Swap out bold decor for neutral table accents. Utilize a wooden dough bowl as a centerpiece, focusing on rustic and neutral elements. Remove bold colors, placing emphasis on soothing neutral tones for a calming and sophisticated look. Neutral table runner. Introduce a neutral table runner to add extra coziness or create a central focus in your dining room. This simple addition can enhance the overall ambience of your space. Accent with winter dishes. Opt for winter-themed or solid-colored dishes in gold, black, white, silver, or green to bring a cohesive winter palette to your dining table. Winter birch trees. Infuse your interior with the charm of birch trees, especially those that light up. Birch and natural wood elements are ideal for capturing the essence of winter. Add bells to your DIY winter decorations. Incorporate bells into your decor for a festive touch. The neutral coloring of bells makes them suitable for winter decor beyond the holiday season. Aspen candles. Illuminate your space with aspen-like candles, bringing natural elements indoors. These candles contribute to a festive and cozy atmosphere, perfect for a winter-themed table. DIY winter decor. Winter hanging gallery wall. Transform your front entryway into a spectacular winter gallery wall with numerous hanging wreaths. This creative idea adds a unique and festive touch to your home. Winter tray on counter. Create a winter-themed tray for your kitchen counter or dining table. Combine favorite winter decor items for an easily transitioned and visually appealing arrangement. Green boughs in a light fixture. Decorate your light fixture with evergreen boughs, creating a captivating focal point above your table. This simple addition adds a touch of nature to your winter decor. Embrace the beauty of the winter season with these DIY decorations that go beyond Christmas, adding warmth and charm to your home. Whether it's the soft glow of lit branches or the simplicity of a neutral table setting, these ideas will keep your space inviting throughout the winter months. Get creative, enjoy the process, and let your home reflect the enchantment of winter.